So for today, I am going to teach you on how to transfer money from your Stripe to your bank account. So basically first open your web browser, which is in my case I am using Google Chrome. And after you open your web browser, you should type in your stripe.com, which is once you go on the stripe.com, just log in using your account. But in this case, I am using a test mode so I could show you the process. So basically, you will see a dashboard like this. So as you can see beside, which is located at the leftmost, there are a few options right here. You will going to click the balances under the home section. Once you're in, you will see this page, which is the overview, all activity, top ups, as well as the payouts. So basically, under the overview section, you will see right here, add a bank account to pay out your USD balance, which is you will see the plus icon with the corresponding text, which is the add bank account. So for you to able to add or transfer money from this, which is the Stripe, onto your bank account, you are going to click the add bank account right here. But in this case, in test mode, I'm not be able to add a bank account or even do payments on this page because I'm on the test mode. So if you already logged in using your account, you can do this method. So once you add your bank account right here, Stripe will ask a few informations for you to add or link your bank account on your Stripe account so that you could transfer your USD balance onto your another bank account.